Now, as you can see on my screen, we have just had 26 sales and 1,490 euros in one day with affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads. Now, how you can copy and paste this method in 2026 if you're a beginner, and even if you have never had a sale online with ClickBank affiliate marketing or any other network, is you have to understand that you need to have the right type of clicks. You see, for those actions, even though they are small actions, and these are the results in sales, in affiliate commissions, this is net profit, right? You have to understand you need to have buyers clicks or buyers traffic, all right? So you don't need to have lots of clicks or go viral with clicks. No, you need to have small amount of the right clicks or buyers traffic, buyers clicks, because the money is in the buyers clicks in 2026. And if you want to know exactly how to put this into action, step by step, by installing this method in 2026 by yourself, okay, and having consistent $300 to $500 days as a beginner without having to make any videos, even if you have never made a sale online with ClickBank affiliate marketing as a beginner or any other network. All you have to do is spend 20 to 30 minutes per day setting up exact Google pay-per-click AdWords campaign that can get you exact buyers clicks to your affiliate quiz funnel. Okay, so if you want to know exactly how to put it into action 1 hour from today or a week from now, let me know. There's my Instagram, WhatsApp number, email, and also my Facebook Messenger in the description below under this video.